What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, excuse me. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this daily market update on Luna Classic. A pretty bearish one, as you can see. Yesterday we had quite a big crash. I think we could say. I mean, this does look like a crash. It's a typical Luna Classic crash, like this one, or like this one, or like this one, or like this one. So yeah, sometimes, I mean, in the end, Luna Classic is still a little manipulated. All right, they're still, and not by the community or anything, but they're still big holders. I mean, a move like this is only possible if someone sells a lot in a very short period of time. In the end, we dropped down, at least on Binance, we dropped down all the way to 20,000, which is a major support level. So you can see that we held a lot of support there. But then got above 22,000 again, and that is also what we expected, right? I mean, in the end, my analysis the last couple of, like the last week, every day, has almost always been, unless we had a lot of bullish momentum, has almost always been that we would, we had a lot of, like, some bullish momentum here, but in the end, I thought this would just be a bearish flag, all right? So we had a downtrend. Then if you go up a little bit, like until like the 382 fib of this, it's still a flag, which is a continuation pattern. All right, so a continuation of the trend, which was down. So that's also what we expected. Now we have dropped down to 22,000. Well, technically to 20,000, but we're holding at 22,000, which is a very strong support level. All right, and still, even though there are still some whales that can manipulate, the community is strong. So I do think in terms of price, that we will hold this level around 22,000, and that we can kind of consolidate between 23,500 and 22,000. And today is going to be quite a volatile day for Bitcoin because of the interest rates. So if Bitcoin becomes bullish, I mean, we might even still be able to get back up to like 25,000. It's possible, but that depends on the market. If the market would be non-existent, I think we would just consolidate here. And unfortunately, after a while, I do think we would drop down to 20,000, like more permanently, not like this. And most of that has to do with the fundamentals behind Luna Classic, right? I mean, it has a great community, but the burns, like there's almost nothing being burned right now in Luna Classic. That was one of the reasons why we had this huge bullish momentum, as you all know. But yeah, so that's not happening anymore. So what's pushing the price of Luna Classic up? It's either the market, as we stated, the market could push it up a little bit. But apart from that, it's fundamentals. And right now the fundamentals are lacking. That's why I think we can hold our levels due to the community. But I don't think we can, unless the market gets bullish, I don't think we can move up. Another, well, not only the market, we could also get bullish fundamentals, right? That's possible. But the main thing is that bullish fundamentals would either be like a big listing, which would be bullish but not that bullish, because we would just have a spike and then drop back down, hold our levels, and then kind of trend down again. So a listing would be good on the short term, but long term it wouldn't matter. It's just yeah, I mean, after a while you just continue with the trend. Wanted to say something, but I couldn't figure out what it was in English. So yeah, but apart from that, a new proposal, some sort of a burn proposal, or some sort of a ecosystem growth development proposal, that could actually work, because you either want to burn a lot of Luna Classic right now, right, which would be a great thing. And we need to do that. Or what you want to do is you actually want to increase the ecosystem, which would increase the on-chain volume, which would increase the burning again, and the hype around the project. So those are two things you could do. Well, yeah, those are two things. I think mainly if we would really want a rally again, we would need a new good proposal. All right, or some sort of a surge in on-chain volume, but I don't think that's about to come. So unless we get those bullish fundamentals, we're just going to consolidate right now, which we can, as I said, because of that strong community. We'll follow the market, but in the end, we'll drop down, in my opinion, at least. So that's my daily update on Luna Classic. So no, I don't think we will crash, but I'm definitely not bullish on it as of now either. So yeah, that's my take on Luna Classic. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.